Hi students, today in this video we go for standard 8 English chapter 4. The name of the chapter is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory, and now we go for the part 3 of your textbook of this chapter. And in second part we saw that Chaudhary Bipin Chaudhary tried to recall his memory about Ranchi, but he has no idea about it. He had no idea about it. And now we go for the third part of this chapter. And here is the third part. After lunchtime, Bipin Babu realized that he couldn't possibly carry on sitting at his desk and working, because in the second part at the end we saw that Bipin Babu had sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he didn't eat, and he didn't eat them, and now he lost his temper. And after lunchtime, Bipin Babu realized that he couldn't work, he couldn't sit on the desk, and he couldn't work at the firm. This had never happened in the 25 years he had been with the firm. Since 25 years he worked at this firm, and he had no any experience like this, that he was unable to work. He had a reputation for being this is the half sentence, and we complete it in the next picture. He had a reputation for being a tireless, conscientious worker, but today his head was in a whirl. He had a reputation means he earned a reputation like a very hard worker in his firm, tireless and very hard worker in his firm. Conscientious means careful and correct, and tireless means he was doing very hard work in his firm, but today his head was in a whirl. Here the meaning of in a whirl is confused and unable to think clearly. So today the incident at Ranchi makes him very confused, and today he was totally unable to work. Back home at 2:30, Bipin Babu lay down in bed and tried to gather his wits together. Back home at 2:30, when Bipin Babu came home again at 2:30 after lunchtime, Bipin Babu lay down in bed. He tried to relax, so he lay down in bed and tried to gather his wits together means make an effort to become calm and think clearly. He want to take rest now, and he want to become calm and cool. He knew that it was possible to lose one's memory through an injury in the head. He knew that thing that it was possible to lose memory if we had injury in the head, but he didn't know of a single instance of someone remembering everything except one particular incident, and a fairly recent and significant one at that. He had an idea that if we had an injury in the head, we have lost our memory, but he didn't know of a single instance of someone remembering everything except one particular incident. That he thought that it is impossible I am knowing anything, I remembered anything, but one thing I missing and one thing I forgot. It is not possible, and a very recent and significant one at that. Very recent means not very old, and significant means very important incident is that. So how I forgot this incident? He had always wanted to go to Ranchi. He has wish to go to Ranchi, to have gone there, done things, and not to remember was something utterly impossible. To have gone there and done things, he had no idea about it, that I have gone Ranchi and I done things there, and not to remember was something utterly impossible. That it is very impossible that I gone to Ranchi and I done things there, but I have no idea about it. So his head is covered with confusion. And now we see the another paragraph. And this is the next paragraph that at 7:30 Bipin Babu's servant came and announced, Chuni Babu sir, says it's very important. At 7:30 at time, Bipin Babu's servant came and announced that Chuni Babu came and says that sir, it's very important. Means Chuni Babu named person want to meet Bipin Chaudhary. Bipin Babu knew what Chuni had come for. Bipin Babu had idea that what is the reason that Chuni had come. Chuni Lal had been at school with him. Chuni Lal was his friend. He had been having a rough time lately and had been coming to see him about a job. Having a rough time means having a lot of problems. Chuni Lal had many problems, so he had been coming to see him about a job. Now he want to discuss about his job and he want to favor from Bipin Babu, so he came to him for the help. Bipin Babu knew it was not possible to do anything for him and in fact told him so. Bipin Babu knew that I am very confused, so it is not possible to do any help to him, but told him so. Bipin Babu told his servant told him that I am unable to do any help for him. But Chuni kept turning up like a bad penny. Like a bad penny means appearing at a place where one is not welcome. But Chuni Lal was not left Bipin Babu, so he was appearing at a place. He was appearing at his home. If though Bipin Babu not welcome him, Bipin Babu sent word that only was it not possible for him to see Chuni now. Bipin Babu sent word means he told his servant that say him that I am not helping him. I am unable to help him, but not in several weeks. Means now I am unable to help him now, but not in several weeks. Means during several weeks I am unable to help him. Means he said his servant that tell Chuni that I am unable to help him for several weeks. So leave me alone. And now we go for the next paragraph. And this is the second paragraph that but as soon as the servant stepped out of the room, it struck Bipin Babu that Chuni might remember something about the 58 trip. Now Bipin Chaudhary had idea that when servant left his room, then suddenly a flash came to his mind that maybe Chuni might remember something about 58 trip at Ranchi. There was no harm in asking him. Means I can ask Chuni that have he any remembrance about 58 trip. Bipin Babu hurried down the stairs and into the living room. Chuni was about to leave. Bipin Babu hurried down means came down fastly and into living room. He came. Chuni was about to leave. Chuni was about to leave because he want to go now. But seeing Bipin Babu appear, he turned round hopefully. But when he saw that Bipin Babu came in the living room and he turned his face round. He turned his face and hopefully turned his face because he had hope that Bipin Babu do favor for him. Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush. Here, didn't beat about the bush means came straight to the point. Bipin Babu came straight to the point that, listen Chuni, I want to ask you something. Chuni, he said that, Chuni Lal, I want to ask you something that you have a good memory. I know that you had a good memory and you had great power of remembrance, and you have been seeing me off and on for a long time. You know me for a long time. Just throw your mind back and tell me, did I go to Ranchi in 58? Just recall your mind and remember that did I go to Ranchi in 58? Did I have you any remembrance that I go to Ranchi in 58 year? Chuni said 58. It must be have been 58, or was it 59? Now Chuni said that 58. It must have been 58, or was it 59? Means it must be 58 or 59 that you go to Ranchi. So this is also confusing situation for Bipin Babu, and though he not recall his memory, and he has no idea about Ranchi. And this is the third part of this chapter, and the second half part we will do in the next video. Thank you.